Locksmith Eddy Auto Park. He got this Rolls Royce silver rope. He got his old car what he using before for the Eddy's Locksmith, and this is his brand spanking new Ford, totally organized for his business, locksmith business, with all Milwaukee from A to Z. And of course, perfectly spotless place, storage area where he's working, garage, Eddy garage. А вот Сками, вот этот маленький Сками сидит, little Сками, and this is Skami's place. So everything is perfect here. Eddy working from morning to the night to make everything done. And this is his assistant, little bossy coming squatter. Live from Locksmith, Valentina, your realtor and travel agent. 561-388-1015. Ciao for now.